Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After a very long time, I am coming back on my channel just for you. And actually, just I couldn't be available just because I had baby. Then after some time, just for due to some health issues, I could not be there for you. But today, not wasting much time, I'm going to make chili paneer today, and believe me that I'll be using very less oil, and it's just like instant. You don't need to fry anything at all. See, this is paneer. I have roasted it, I have grilled it in the microwave for 10 minutes, and look at this. No coating, nothing at all. I just cut the paneer into pieces. You can cut them small, big, the shape as per you like. Then capsicum, I have taken 3 medium sized capsicum, 1 large tomato and 2 medium onions. So let us begin. I'll tell the ingredients in between the recipe. So I have taken 2 spoons of mustard oil. As I told you in my previous videos also that I use very less refined oil. So I have taken mustard oil. To it I'll straight put onion. Keep the flame on medium because we don't want to burn the vegetables. We just want them to become more crispy, because what I feel is that there should be some crispiness in the vegetables when you are making chili Chinese food especially. This yellow color is because of the mustard oil. You can even make it in olive oil, refined oil or any other cooking oil you like, but I prefer using mustard oil only. Most of my dishes you will find I am cooking in mustard oil. As you can see, the onions have started turning a little golden brown. So I'll be adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and this is totally homemade. I don't want the rawness of ginger garlic to be gone completely. थोड़ा सा पक जाए, थोड़ा सा रह जाए. I like that. After this, I'll be adding capsicum to it. Just give it a good stir. थोड़ा सा कैप्सिकम को पकाना है, बट लेट इट बी क्रंची. पूरा अच्छे से नहीं उसको आपको गलाना है. सॉफ्टनेस चिली पनीर में नो. थोड़ा सा क्रिस्पीनेस, क्रंचीनेस, सॉफ्टनेस के लिए पनीर है ना, तो वाई टू मेक ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स सॉफ्ट? नो, आई प्रेफर कीपिंग दैम a little crunchy. So now as you can see, ये थोड़ा क्रंची हुई है कैप्सिकम, थोड़ा इनका कलर चेंज हुआ है. A layer of really golden brown has come over it. Let me show you one. See, like this. Smooth here. Okay. So after this, I'll be adding one large roughly chopped tomato. The main thing I like about chili paneer is you don't have to chop anything finally. Everything goes in roughly chopped. So I have mixed it. वो अपने आप पूरा पक जाएगा अभी थोड़ी देर में. You don't have to put it for rest separately. So now I'll be adding a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, but try जितना आप सॉल्ट लेते हैं उससे थोड़ा कम ही रखें इसमें, just because we'll be adding this soya sauce, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and approx half to 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I have mixed them both, put it into it. Now some black pepper powder and approx 1 tablespoon of ketchup. That's it. there is one more ingredient actually. I'll be sharing some. So see the color. Wow, seems to be like ना पूरा होटल वाला. Actually the cooking lovers like me, उनकी तो पूरा फैमिली का ना रोस्ट पार्टी हो सकता है, बिकॉज उनको खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद होता है, जस्ट लाइक मी. सो टू दिस I read it somewhere actually, if you are adding vinegar in any of the dishes, so add a half teaspoon of sugar to it, just to balance the sourness of the vinegar. मीठा कहाँ गया पूरा वेजिटेबल में, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. आई एम सॉरी, दैट्स माई बेबी. ये देखिए, now you cannot find out where the sugar is. So this is all done. Now I'll be adding that roasted paneer to it. ज़्यादा डालिए कम डालिए, that totally depends on you. And one more thing, let me give you a छोटा सा tip, that आपने जो पनीर रोस्ट किया ना, if your babies love to eat it, ऐसे ही खाते हैं, that is very good. अगर उनको थोड़ा सॉल्ट के साथ पसंद है तो बिलीव मी, रोस्टेड पनीर टेस्ट रियली वेरी वेरी गुड, अमेजिंग टेस्ट. उस पर आप थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला लगाइए, थोड़ा सा चिली फ्लेक्स लगाइए, थोड़ा ऑरिगेनो लगाइए, और आफ्टर रोस्टिंग दैम, एक्चुअली आफ्टर ग्रिलिंग दैम, आप उस पर ये सब मसाला लगाइए, टॉस दैम वेरी वेल, एंड बिलीव मी, योर स्टार्टर इज़ रेडी विद इन नो मेहनत रिक्वायर्ड. So see, my chili paneer is almost ready. I just have to, this is dry chili paneer actually. So I'm planning to make wet chili paneer today, and I'll be serving it with some rice. So I'll share the link of fried rice also along with it. You can also serve it with chapatis, parathas, or with the garlic fried rice. I have shared the video earlier. I'll share the link in this in the description box of this video also. So I'll cover it and put it aside for 1 or 2 minutes only, not much. See. Chili paneer is almost done. Dry chili paneer is ready, but as I told you earlier, I'm going to make a gravy wala chili paneer. So I'll be adding approx half a liter of water to it. थोड़ा भी डाल सकते हैं, but my husband and my kids like to have more gravy. तो आप अगर उसको थोड़ा सा ग्रेवी रखना चाहते हैं, आप उसे कम रखें, no problem. Let it come to a boil. Then after that I have prepared the slurry. I have taken 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And see, this must be the consistency. See. So let it come to a boil. After that I will be adding this cornflour slurry. अभी इसमें अच्छा सा एक बॉयल आ गया है. So now I'll be adding this cornflour to it. और अच्छे से मिक्स करके let it come to a boil once again, ताकि उसमें ग्रेवी में थिकनेस थोड़ा सा बने. ओके, now you must be thinking कि चिली तो डाला ही नहीं, चिली पनीर बना रहे हैं, but there is no chili. So actually it is शिमला मिर्च, that is also a chili ना. क्या है? Actually I haven't added green chilies or red chili to it just because बच्चों की वजह से. और आप अगर चाहें तो along with the onions you can add split green chilies to it. जितना स्पाइसी चाहिए उतना ग्रीन चिलीज आप ऐड करें. See, the gravy has started thickening. पानी पूरा थिक होने लगा है इसका. See, आई एम कंटिन्यूसली स्टिरिंग इट सो दैट कोई भी वेजिटेबल या क्योंकि हमने इसमें कॉर्न स्टार्च ऐड किया सो देयर आर अ लिटिल बिट चांसेस कि वो पैन में स्टिक हो, तो इसीलिए इसको कंटिन्यूसली आई एम स्टिरिंग। ये देखिए अभी इट इज़ परफेक्टली वेल। ये देखिए एज यू कैन सी दैट ग्रेवी, vegetables, everything has binded together, everything is mixed with each other very well, very well. See, look at the consistency of this gravy. It is not very thin, it is not very thick, it is a perfect consistency. So it is done. I'll now put it aside, and जितना वो कूल डाउन होगी उतना ही उसमें थिकनेस और ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी. सो इट इज़ डन. आई बी सर्विंग इट अलॉन्ग विद fried rice, very quick fried rice. I won't be adding much things to it. So see you with the next video. Bye bye. Look at this. अभी हमारा चिली पनीर थोड़ा कूल डाउन हो गया है. Look at the consistency. ग्रेवी अच्छी थिक हो गई है जितना हमें चाहिए था. इट इज़ वेरी गुड टू ईट विद राइस. उससे राइस ड्राई भी नहीं लगेगा. सो इट्स टाइम टू डू प्लेटिंग. Transfer to the serving bowl. Here we go. Then one more. And one more. And here we are done. That's it. So it's ready to eat. Enjoy the dish.